If you're thinking about buying the JETech Screen Protector for your phone, stick around, because I'm about to reveal everything you need to know before you hit that buy button. This protector promises effortless installation, ultra-clear viewing, and strong 9H hardness tempered glass protection. But here's what surprised me. Not all that glitters is gold with the JETech Screen Protector. In fact, there are some hidden problems you might run into once it's on your device. Problems I didn't expect at this price point. So don't buy it yet. I've got the full, honest scoop for you. Let's dive deeper, because if you value your phone's screen and your sanity during installation, you're going to want the details I uncovered. By the way, if you think screen protectors are all the same, I've got a few twists that will make you think twice. So, what's really going on with JETech's popular offering? Stick around, because this honest review might save you from a costly mistake, or at least prepare you for what's coming. First off, who is this product for? The JETech Screen Protector targets anyone wanting top-tier protection without breaking the bank. The budget-conscious users who want a quick, bubble-free install, and that ultra-clear feel as if there's nothing there. Sounds great, right? But I'll tell you why the reality falls a bit short. Now, before I get into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick joke to lighten the mood. Why did the phone go to therapy? Because it had too many cracks to handle. Okay, no cracks with JETech's 9H glass, or at least that's what they claim. JETech markets their screen protector with an easy installation tool, promising you won't wrestle with bubbles or awkward alignments. In theory, you get an idiot-proof process. You line it up, press down, and bubbles vanish like magic. But layering on that promise is the ominous whisper of reality. Many users report persistent bubbling, especially near the edges, despite following the instructions to a T. Lifting a corner to reseat. It sounds simple until you're stuck with leftover dust particles making their grand entrance under your screen protector like uninvited party crashers. So here's the catch. If you pride yourself on a perfectly clean and smooth screen, this protector can cause frustration. Sure, you get the oliphobic coating which resists fingerprints and smudges, but when trapped bubbles and dust play a role, those clean efforts seem wasted. This leads to a subtle but annoying reduction of clarity, a really ironic side effect for a protector boasting ultra-clear viewing. Here comes another twist. The screen's responsiveness is said to be highly sensitive to touch, preserving the buttery smooth tap and swipe experience we all want. But some users note a slight reduction in screen sensitivity, especially with certain phone models or after a few days of use. So, playing that mobile game or typing out a fast text might feel a bit less crisp unless you remove the protector, which defeats the entire purpose, right? Speaking of installation, let's talk tools. The included installation frame is a nice touch and makes it easier to position, but it's only so foolproof. You'll need a dust-free area, steady hands, and a bit of patience. In fact, a light joke here. Why don't you ever see screen protectors going on roller coasters? Because they can't handle the pressure. Jokes aside, the pressure sensitivity during installation can make or break the experience, and this is where JETech's quality control shows some variation. Now, durability is the name of the game. The 9H hardness rating means this protector should withstand scratches from keys, coins, or even those pesky sand grains that invade your pockets. But a heads up, tempered glass can still shatter or chip if dropped just right, or wrong, and some users have noted edge chipping over time, which compromises protection and aesthetics. So, treat it well or be prepared to replace sooner than you think. You may wonder about price. JETech sells theirs at just under $8, which is a bargain compared to many competitors charging double or triple. But as the saying goes, you get what you pay for, although sometimes you get a little more, sometimes a little less. Here, the trade-off is there, in consistent installation success and flawless protection. Here's another mini promise. Soon I'll share a few tips on how to make your installation process smoother and reduce those bubbles significantly if you still decide to go for it. But before that, Let's rewind and hear about how this screen protector fared in real-world day-to-day use. I tested the JETech Screen Protector for a solid 2 weeks on my daily driver, a smartphone that's no stranger to keys, bags, and daily wear and tear. Day 1, it looked flawless. Clear, fingerprint-resistant, and didn't interfere with touch sensitivity. But by midweek, small bubbles started creeping in, mostly near the edges. Dust particles seemed to get trapped no matter how many times I tried lifting a corner to adjust. Fingerprints were much harder to see but still left subtle smudges that need occasional wiping. One fun fact: it's almost like your screen protector turns into a tiny hotel for dust mites. They check in, but rarely check out. So cleaning is essential, but remember, scrubbing too hard could reduce the olefophobic coating's effectiveness. Oh, and did I mention, this product is hydrophobic too. That means it recycles moisture off the screen, great when you're caught in unexpected rain. Just don't expect it to work miracles when soaking wet. Let's pause for another joke. Why don't screen protectors ever get into arguments? Because they don't like to crack under pressure. Okay, last one, I promise. But seriously, if you're someone who drops your phone often, consider this protector a fair shield, but not an invincible one. Now, if you're considering buying the JETech Screen Protector, here's a quick checklist. Are you patient enough for a potentially fiddly installation? Do you keep your phone in relatively clean environments? Are you okay with occasional bubbles and the chance of edge wear? If you answered yes, then this product might still be a smart purchase given the price advantage and essential screen protection it provides. However, if you crave a flawless experience with zero bubbles, edge durability guaranteed, and a perfectly smooth install every time, then you might want to explore more premium options. These might cost more, but they often come with better installation kits, stronger adhesives, and more scratch resistance. Now, the promised pro tip for JETech users. Install your screen protector in a steamy bathroom after a hot shower. The steam reduces dust particles flying around, making it easier to get a bubble-free application. Use the installation guide carefully and try to avoid moving that protector too much after it touches the screen. Quick, gentle presses rather than intense scrubbing make a difference. So here's the bottom line. Despite some flaws, the JETech Screen Protector is a solid budget choice for everyday users who want decent protection, don't mind a little hands-on effort with installation, and aren't obsessed with perfection. It's ultra-clear, fairly responsive, fingerprint-resistant, and priced right at $7.99, which is hard to beat. Before I wrap up, here's one last thought. Buying a screen protector is like buying insurance. You hope you never need it, but when life happens, you're glad it's there. JETech delivers on the basics with a few noted compromises, but it's better than using no protector at all, especially if your phone is a high-ticket item. Alright, if you want to check the latest price for the JETech Screen Protector, the link is right down in the description. Prices tend to fluctuate quickly on Amazon, so if you see a good deal, I highly recommend grabbing it while it lasts. Remember, it's a balanced choice: solid protection, easy installation tool, and budget-friendly. Thanks for watching this honest review. If you found it helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more unbiased tech reviews. Drop your experience with JETech or your favorite screen protectors in the comments. Let's help each other find the best protection out there. Stay safe, keep your screens crack-free, and I'll see you in the next video.